Okay, I'm just going to explain because now I figured out how to use the microphone. So click on domains after you logged into GoDaddy, and then pick the URL you want and click launch. That would take you to the details of the domain, and then click for manage forwarding. So you want to add forwarding to that domain, and I suggest using masking because you're able to put in titles and descriptions of your website that search engines can pick up. So I'm using the Synthetic US website, the free one, which I believe is the best one out of them all for conversions. So I sent you the words that I'm using here in a file to your Rocky Mountain Synthetics at gmail.com address. So you'll have to add this AMSOIL oil dealer part that I'm typing in here. If you want to use them, you might want to use something else, but this is just my suggestions after what I've seen over the years. And then a description. You can't have too big of a description. You can probably add some other things in here if you want, but those are the key ones that I thought were pertaining: your city, zip code, state, AMSOIL, motor oil, dealer, and then the keywords. Each one is just followed by a comma with no spaces. So, and AMSOIL's comma, motor oil, comma, synthetic oil, comma, then hit add. And here I think I was just telling you can add some more stuff up there if you want, but the title needs to be fairly short. Description can be like 35 words. And just follow the rest that I did there, clicking save. And then you can copy and paste or just key in your, it'll take a few minutes, but key in your Rocky Mountain Synthetics or your Earth Safe synthetic website, and it should transfer to whatever one you just set up as the masking, or I mean as the forwarding. Um, See, it's already, I use that online or oilwebsite.com. I forwarded it to your website, and it's already ready to go in a couple of minutes. And you can always check to make sure anytime you're doing a website or whatever, you want to check to make sure that when they transfer to the AMSOIL site that your dealer number is following it. And you can check that by clicking on free catalog and then click on send by mail, and there's where your dealer number, that's how you get credit. So anytime you're putting a link somewhere, you always want to have your dealer number on. There's on the dealer zone, there is a spot, I don't know if it's under training or whatever it is, but it shows you how to link to certain pages, and it'll actually give you, when you're logged in, it'll give you the whole URL address to add to a picture or something, and then when somebody clicks that picture, it'll take you to the AMSOIL site with your dealer number. And that's about it. You can do the same thing with your Agrand website using the words Agrand, synthetic, organic, safe, whatever words you want to use, and then put the descriptions in and stuff like that. So, well, good luck to you. Anytime you need some, just give me a holler.